Welcome back to Auto Action. Compared to typical weekday pickups, the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is a stallion with a lane-hogging body, a beefed-up suspension, and an abundance of attitude. The foundation model for this off-road focused truck is the standard half-ton Ram 1500, which generously lends its platform and opulent interior to the Charity. Ram's 1500 TRX is being replaced by the RHO this year, and fans of monster trucks will surely miss the 1500 TRX's 702 horsepower supercharged V8. A 3.0-liter inline-six with two turbochargers and 540 horsepower replaces the Hemi V8. With so much power, it can still outmaneuver the Ford F-150 Raptor, but the engine note will be much quieter than on the truck it replaces. Before we become too attached to the force-fed V8's departure, remember that Ram has loaded the RHO with off-road and performance goodies to offset the power plant change. With up to 11.8 inches of terrain clearance and 14 inches of rear suspension travel, the RHO has 2 inches more height than the normal 1500 4x4 and comes equipped with a specially tuned air spring suspension system as standard. By all accounts, this beast looks to be every bit as capable off-road as its predecessor, if not somewhat slower when soaring over sand dunes and tearing through forests. We were concerned that Ram's high-performance pickup trucks would be doomed when the company revealed that the TRX would be discontinued in 2024, but the firm wasted little time in coming up with a replacement. Even if the 1500 RHO isn't as strong as the departing TRX, we think off-road driving it will be just as enjoyable. In the fall of 2024, watch for the RHO to Baja its way into Ram dealers. The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is priced starting at $71,990. The 1500 RHO's price is almost 6 figures less than that of the outgoing TRX model, making the performance truck more affordable for a wider range of potential purchasers. It comes in just one trim, but we suggest the RHO Equipment Group package if it fits within your budget.